us.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Bancroft, Ontario, is a small town located in the heart of Ontario's cottage country, known for its natural beauty and outdoor activities. Situated in the North Hastings region, Bancroft is surrounded by forests, lakes, and rivers, making it a perfect destination for anyone who loves nature and adventure. It's often called the mineral capital of Canada because of the many minerals and gems found in the area, attracting collectors and outdoor enthusiasts alike. The town has a rich history that dates back to the late 1800s when it was first settled. Over the years, Bancroft has grown into a popular spot for visitors, looking to experience the charm of a small friendly town, while also being close to a wide variety of outdoor activities. The town itself has a quaint main street, with local shops, cafes, and restaurants, where visitors can explore and enjoy the laid-back atmosphere. Bancroft is well known for its outdoor recreational activities. The area is home to numerous lakes and rivers, making it a great place for boating, fishing, and swimming. Popular nearby lakes like Baptiste Lake and Diamond Lake offer opportunities for water sports and relaxation by the shore. Hiking and exploring the forests around Bancroft are also popular pastimes, with trails that lead to beautiful viewpoints and scenic landscapes. The town is also a great place for winter sports. In the colder months, the area becomes a hub for snowmobiling, cross-country skiing, and snowshoeing. The nearby Algonquin Provincial Park, one of Ontario's most famous parks, is a popular spot for winter activities and offers stunning views of the surrounding snow-covered wilderness. For those looking to explore the beauty of Ontario's cottage country, Bancroft is a hidden gem with something to offer every season of the year.